fish, 19 inches. This is Kaleo. Welcome back. I'm heading out of Oxnard today. I'm gonna go hit La Janelle and see if I can catch some fish. There's a small craft this afternoon, so it's just gonna be a quick trip. It's raining today, which I love. Look at that rain. So, wish me luck. I'm in the Defiant cabin cruiser, staying dry. Batorade, and this is a sweet little boat. It's one of the newer boats in the fleet. So in our men's study today, we're studying the Beatitudes right now, and this week's Beatitude is, "Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted." And you know, this one hits really close to home, because you know, my struggles in faith are directly related to the losses I've felt in my life, you know, that I'm still grieving over, and you know, the healthy ways of grieving loss. And part of why I go out here on the boat is to remember my uncle, who was my foster dad, who taught me about boating and fishing and sailing and life, and he did this in the most loving way, and that's, you know, that really was a great example on how, you know, I share that love with my own kids and family. The man had a capacity for love that was just so genuine. So anyway, that's one of the reasons why I head out here and do this fishing right here, to honor and remember him. My man. Let's see what we got. Third drop. Some weight. Sorry about the rain. Fish is still on. Oh yeah. Yes. Bass. Look at that. It's definitely a keeper. Let's see what we have. Inches. That is a pretty little fish. Look at that. Ouch. It's biting me. Of course, you can't see that now because of the rain. Rainy fish. 19 inches. Alright, so I got two nice fillets here from that bass. That's going to Kailani's family, and I'm going to keep the skeleton. I left a little extra meat on it when I filleted it. I'm going to keep the collar and the stomach, and do a little chimenea cook-up in the rain when I get home. So I think it's really fun to do that. Nice yield from one fish. That's a meal and a half right there. I had a couple of bites, hooked and landed that one fish, cleaned it. I'm heading in. Harbor's about 10 minutes that way. I must be in the eye of the storm right now, because it's real calm and real still. But in about an hour and a half, it's going to be blowing. Rain in March. A sight we don't often see here in Southern California. A little bit lazy today. Just don't feel like setting up the easy up. So got a tarp over my head. Hey, Bowie. Oh, that's delicious. Juicy. Oh, that's good. Thank you, God, for this food. Want to try some, Bo? Oh, good boy. You're a good boy. You know that?